Do you ever feel like your prayer life is stuck? Maybe you don't have time, or when you do pray, it feels like you're just talking to yourself. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple 5-minute prayer hack that can completely transform the way you connect with God. Stay with me till the end, because this could be the key to unlocking a powerful and consistent prayer life. Let's be honest, many of us struggle with prayer. We either feel distracted, too busy, or unsure of what to say. If that's you, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Prayer was never meant to be complicated. The problem is, we often try to fit prayer into a box, thinking it has to be long or follow a rigid format. But what if I told you that just 5 minutes could make a huge difference? Let's break it down into something simple, effective, and easy to apply daily. Here's the secret. Break your prayer time into 5 simple steps, 1 minute each. Worship, 1 minute. Begin by acknowledging God's greatness. Thank Him for who He is. Say something like, God, you are amazing. You are my provider, my protector, and my source of peace. Confession, be honest with God. Confess your struggles, sins, and fears. Tell Him what's on your heart and ask for forgiveness and strength. Gratitude, thank God for what He has already done in your life. Focus on the blessings, even the small ones, like the air you breathe, the food you eat, or the people you love. Requests. Now, bring your needs and desires before God. Pray for your family, your friends, and even your challenges. Ask Him for guidance, wisdom, and strength. Listening. The most overlooked part of prayer is listening. Take 1 minute to simply be still and let God speak to your heart. Sometimes He speaks through thoughts, Bible verses, or just a sense of peace. That's it. 5 simple steps, 5 minutes. Worship, confession, gratitude, requests, and listening. This structure keeps your prayers focused and meaningful. You might be wondering, can 5 minutes really make a difference? Absolutely. Here's why. It builds consistency. A short prayer every day is better than long prayers once in a while. It keeps you engaged. No more wandering thoughts. Each minute has a purpose. It deepens your relationship with God. Over time, you'll feel closer to Him and more aware of His presence. Just imagine how different your day could be if you started each morning connecting with God in a simple yet powerful way. Still not convinced? Let's hear from people who have tried this 5-minute prayer hack. I always thought I needed at least 30 minutes to pray, but I never had the time. This 5-minute method changed everything. Now, I start my day feeling connected to God, even in my busiest moments. The 1-minute listening part has been life-changing for me. I used to talk at God, but now I feel like I actually hear Him more. Now I challenge you, try this for the next 7 days. Set aside 5 minutes in the morning or before bed. Follow these steps and see how it transforms your life. So, are you ready to take your prayer life to the next level? Try this simple 5-minute method and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more people can experience the power of prayer. See you in the next video. God bless.